Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're continuing on with issue 20 of the R2 build. Kind of excited because it looks like we have another dome frame piece in here and some more wires. So let's open her up and let's see what we got. So here are the parts we have for this issue. We have the right sensor, another dome frame piece, and the right ankle mounting plate. And once again, we're not going to be needing the mounting plate or the sensor for this issue, just the dome piece. We will need 2 long silver screws and 2 nuts, as well as the dome frame from the previous issues. In this case, we will be extending out to the right as with previous issues. So that should line up nicely. And if you look on the bottom, there are 2 posts. And right here, you've got a set of 4 holes. So those posts are going to go into those center holes. And they should slide right in and help everything line up nice and neat. Nuts go on the bottom, screws through the top. And there you have it. The next piece of the dome frame is complete. We still have this large gap here, hopefully to be covered in future issues. And there we have yet another very short issue, but we are getting a backlog of parts. I mean, just look at all of this, from the cabling to LEDs, we've got detail parts. We have so much here. We're gonna have to assemble it at some point. So hopefully in a very soon upcoming issue, we're gonna be able to start putting some of this stuff together. I can't wait for that. But in the meantime, there we go. Another section of the dome is complete. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all next time. Have a great day.